TESSERACT was founded in 2019. We are headquartered in Atlanta, in the United States. We have development and service divisions in India, primarily in Chennai and Bangalore. Our leadership team has over 25 years of average experience in providing data engineering and analytics services for large, global corporations. We are a Microsoft partner for data analytics. Our vision is to empower business users in the enterprises with agility and speed to insights. How do we empower business users? Through agility and speed to insights for the business users. With ability to orchestrate analytics use cases end to end. We offer business users in the enterprises with their exclusive sandbox for their end-to-end use case analytics. With all the tools pre-integrated with all functions available. In one place. Under one platform. On a single pane of glass, for the cost and convenience of a single subscription fee. We guarantee security and privacy by providing each enterprise with their own exclusive instance and each business user with their exclusive sandbox. We call it TESSERACT. A unified self-serve analytics platform empowering business users. Let us go through end-to-end use case orchestration by business users in their own sandbox. Firstly, they can orchestrate data end-to-end. They can get actionable insights. They can collaborate with other business users to share and reuse data and insights. They can integrate with other applications through API. Business users can bring their own data. They can transform by combining their data with enterprise data. They can get auto insights right at ingestion. These insights are narrated right at ingestion by our proprietary module, TESSERACT Actionable Insights, TI, as we call it. More about TI later. Business users can derive their own insights by building models and applying them to solve their use cases. They can collaborate with other business users to share and reuse data and insights. They can share data and insights with third-party applications through APIs. Business users can experiment with data and insights, solve use cases on their own, and share results with other users and applications. Idea to insights all on a single pane of glass with a click of a few buttons. No need to hop from tool to tool. We will shortly take you through an example of use case orchestration. Before that, let me quickly take you through a few additional details. Business users can bring their own data. They can ingest files or tables, convert ingested files to datasets, cleanse datasets to make them ready for transformation and analysis. They can connect to enterprise data and transform by combining their data with enterprise data, for example, sales data or order summary data. They can also combine their data with data shared by other users. They can get auto insights right at ingestion of their data, and also after transformation. They can automatically get narrated insights on key influencers. They can do what-if analysis. They can interact with data asking questions in a natural language. They can also view and treat outliers, view and correct missing values, perform univariate analysis and bivariate analysis. We call this TESSERACT Actionable Insights, TI. They can also derive their own insights by building models and applying them to datasets. They can get descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive insights. They can also collaborate with other business users, sharing and reusing data and insights. They can share files, tables, transformed datasets, analysis, and visualizations. They can share data and insights through APIs. They can click in any dataset and create APIs on the fly. They can test and publish APIs. All from a single window. With no coding. As part of data orchestration at all times, they will have access to their data catalog, which includes their own ingested data, enterprise data for which they have access, and data shared with them by others. They can visualize datasets at any point in time through Power BI, which is embedded into the platform. All through their use case orchestration, they get guidance through a wizard that tracks what they do and guides them on the next steps. We call it My Activity. Now let us get into use case demonstration. The use case is, I am a used cars sales representative, and I am the business user. I work for a dealership enterprise. I have a list of cars to be sold, and I would like to predict the sale price of the cars for the list with me. The assumption is, I have list of car details in a file. The dealership enterprise uses the TESSERACT platform. The platform has used cars sales history as enterprise data, which I would like to use to predict the sale price. For which, I will build a prediction model from history data, test, and save. I will apply prediction on my dataset to get predictions. For which, I will ingest cars to be sold data from a file, combine this with enterprise data which is used cars sales history, and use the transformed dataset to predict the price. I will also share and reuse the predicted price with other users and applications. Now let me take you through the demo flow. Firstly, I will log in and view my data catalog. This will show me used cars sales history as enterprise data. Then, I will click on tie on this dataset to get TESSER actionable insights. I will view the profile of the data and data health. Before building my model, there will be a few outliers on the history data which I will treat. For example, I will take certain one-off premium sales from the past out of the model. To help me build the model, I will get key influencers that influences the sale price, for example, model of the car, age of the car. Then I will move on to building the prediction model, and I will test and save the model to be applied on my data. I will use the key influences got from TIE, like the age of the car and miles driven, for building the model. I have a list of cars that need to be sold with me in a file, which is my own data. I will ingest the same, convert to table, and cleanse. Then I will combine this with used cars sales history to create a transformed dataset. Then I will apply the built model on this transformed dataset to predict the price of the car. This will add the predicted sale price for all the cars to be sold, and I will get predicted sale price dataset. I will also share this with other staff and also export the data as file for my offline use. For the sake of demonstration, I will also create an API and publish the same for use by other applications. I will also show you how all my activities are tracked and how I get guidance on the next step at each step of my use case orchestration. If we have time, I will show you more on TIE. We can see what if analysis, we can interact with data asking questions, we can view univariate and bivariate analysis. We will also get to see visualization through embedded Power BI.